the ADEMS Full Drive machine of own manufacture. The machine is intended for sharpening of classic, convex and thinning barber scissors, nail scissors and clippers, pushers, pairs of forceps, barber's knives and grooming clippers, as well as for knives and plates of meat grinders. The machine refers to professional series. It features long-term operation under intensive load due to use of parts manufactured in CNC production centers and application of a special support. The special support excludes transfer of whipping from motor shaft faceplate and releases the load from the motor, effectively increasing reliability and life cycle of the machine. The machine is equipped with a frequency inverter intended for variation of faceplate rotation speed. The machine is supplied fully ready for operation. It doesn't require additional setting and installation. Completing units of the machine include case, metal 150 and 125 mm discs, a set of 150 and 125 mm abrasive discs, a holder for clippers, a tool for faceplate changeover, oil for scissors, a tool for alignment of 150 and 125 mm discs. Manufacturer's certificate. You can buy the following in addition to the machine: faceplates and consumables necessary for sharpening of knife sides, of hair, and grooming clippers. Metal discs with replaceable abrasive discs for sharpening of knives and plates, of meat grinders, as well as large cutting tools. Lime scales of different grit, leather polishing disc with glue for fastening on the 150 mm replaceable disc, diamond discs of different profile and grit, an angle gauge to check tool cutting angle, a device for truing of scissors blades. Specialists of our company have developed sets of consumables for operation during 3, 6 and 12 months. Getting started. Set handling device for sharpening of scissors used by right-handed barbers. For this purpose, a line mark with the Latin character R with the necessary sharpening angle and fix it. The holder should have free wheeling when rotating clockwise. It is also possible to sharpen scissors used by left-handed barbers. For this purpose, a line mark with the Latin character L with the necessary sharpening angle and fix it. Sharpening of nail and pedicure clippers is easy and comfortable when you use the holder. You can sharpen clippers with the diamond discs. Use of faceplate makes the machine really a multi-purpose one. It covers all demands in sharpening of barbers and nail tools. One side of the faceplate is cone-shaped, the other is flat. Application is replaceable abrasive discs and flat aluminum disc make the machine a multi-purpose grinder.